My village people no go gree me last for this my Madrid job wey I just land now. Eh? See me for 7th position. And now we dey go play Elclasico. Kai. I no fit lose this match oh. Valverde, how body na?
Fine oh.
How family na?
Fine oh, we thank God.
How that your daughter?
She dey fine. Julen, why they call me? You know say me and you get Elclasico on Sunday.
Na even why I say make I call you. I beg, I take God beg you. Make you help me withdraw for that match now.
Help you with waiting.
I beg, no dey shot like that now. You know see our position for table. Them go soon sack me oh. You know say we no get Ronaldo again.
We sef no get Messi now.
I know. But you know say my problem big pass your own.
No be me cause am now.
Na him make I dey beg you.
See Julen, go prepare your boys. Me sef get problem.
Kai, I don die for Barcelona hand on Sunday oh. Allegri, I beg I dey hot seat now as you dey see me so.
Wetin happen? Those Spanish people don't come find you for tax wahala.
No, na Elclasico. I no fit lose that game. I know say our form no too good like that.
Wetin you want make I do?
E get any way where you go take loan us Ororo?
Ho!
Why you dey shout like that nah? If you fit just borrow us the guy for just this Elclasico, Monday morning I go package am back give you. Even sef, I no go waste time. I fit even send am come your side that day.
Him no go green na. We get away match on Saturday.
Rest am for me nah. I take God beg you.
E be like say something dey worry you for head. Abeg no be me you go put for that kind gbese.
Zizu, how far na? Abeg, how you dey take manage this Madrid team if C-boy no dey?
Omo, you no get any management wey fit manage them oh. Now just look at the carry win game me for Roro no dey oh. Now why I use my hand quick sack myself as I hear say C-boy dey go Juve.